Hi everyone and welcome! This project shows how powerful Blender can be when it comes to hard surface modeling with the right methods. You can bring any real-world objects to life. I used Blender to create every hard surface part with clean and precise topology. In this project, I modeled a fully detailed and realistic seam matching. Based on real-world standards and references. Hope you enjoy this time-lapse! Thank you so much for being here.